Here's a bookkeeping tip for your small business.
Okay, so I actually see this happen all the time. This is going to deal with credit card payments and business expenses. Let's say you have a business American Express, and every month you make a payment towards that American Express. You're going to see in your checking account here as a $2,500 payment to Amex. Now, what a lot of people do is this. They come in here and they say, okay, this $2,500, let's say I'm a contractor, that $2,500 is for materials. So they're going to call it materials and they're going to move on. Here's what your profit and loss is going to look like now. You have $2,500 of materials, but that's not how it works. A credit card payment is not a business expense. The individual transactions on the credit card are the expenses. So here's the right way to do it. You want to go through and add in individually each charge on your American Express. So in this case, last month I actually had 3 Home Depot charges. They're for $11,000. I didn't have $2,500. I had $11,000 of expenses. All this payment is reducing the balance I owe to American Express. So now once I add in the payment to reduce the credit card balance, I look at my profit and loss and I have $11,000 of expenses, not $2,500. Follow for more QuickBooks and bookkeeping tips.